How should a structure respond to its surrounding environment? Go with the flow or carve its own path? Either way, Lumion helps show your designs in its real-life context. In this video, we're going to explore Lumion's tools for shaping and coloring landscape and importing surrounding topography from OpenStreetMaps. It's going to be short and sweet. Let's take a look at the Landscape tab. The third tab from the left opens the Landscape functions. Here's where you can switch on the landscape grass and further refine its appearance. Let's make some mountains and rolling hills surrounding our site using the Height tool. Adjust the brush size and speed here. If we move the camera view high up in the air and look down, it's easier to modify a larger part of the terrain. You can raise, lower, flatten, jitter, and smooth the Lumion terrain to better fit with your imported design model. Notice that the steep terrain is automatically rendered as cliffs. Pretty slick. You can paint the terrain like this. Get the look you want by adjusting the pattern, brush size, and speed. You can change the overall style of the landscape here. There are several presets that represent just about every geographic region. Brace yourself for this one. You can add an ocean with just one click. Adjust several properties using the sliders to create the right look. Turn on OpenStreetMaps and pick a real location. Now you can import 3D terrain and aerial imagery. Lumion has everything you need to show your designs in their proper setting and surrounding. But we aren't done yet. Click on this video to take the next step and add animated objects that will breathe life into your scene. Or check out this playlist that digs deeper into landscape topics. Take your time. They're both really good choices. Honestly, you can't go wrong. Just click one.